My name is Sjamira Roseburg, Member of Parliament of Sint Maarten and as well Chair Lady of Sea Care. And it was an amazing experience and also a successful and fruitful experience.
Tremendo, boa experiência me promebia e de mês com minha prima aqui não, porque eu luta para a comunidade algo que está dentro da nossa família. Então, naturalmente, nossa flow nessa aqui, nós não papia com outro que dia nossa dentro da política, mas toch porque nós é mesmo caminho e nós temos é mesmo paixão. E estou muito orgulhoso de ter prima que está lutador para o direito de hobby. Então, nossa família tem para servir a comunidade, isso é algo que está dentro de nós.
É motivação para dentro da política de unda bem.
Você que está em advocacia, você que está lutando para o direito de trabalhador.
Indeed, good question. You know, I believe when you are focused on achieving good for your people, it comes naturally. I myself come from a background of being a lawyer, and once you see how important it is to focus on the rights for the people, human rights, protecting those rights on a kingdom level, it only comes easier. And I believe once you sit at the table, you can make the important decisions that need to be made. Myself, I was born in the Netherlands and I did my studies in the Netherlands, but my mom is from Aruba and my father from Curacao, and I have roots in Sint Maarten, and that's how you can see how the islands connect with each other, and it's important to have those conversations on kingdom level. I speak Pimento very well, but at the end, you know, you want your people in Sint Maarten to also understand what you're doing and what you're doing for the people. And you know, our family is very proud of us because Clifford brings things across from a different angle than I do, and I think that connects each other because yin-yang, you can do things way better.
A família está sendo orgulhosa, né? Essas tem comments não. Então, essa está lá no sentido que você fora de fazer algo bom para nosso país, we're also doing something good for the family.